Good day, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader Stock and Options Trading Suite. Today I want to take a look at NVDA, the premier stock here on the market. Now, let's go back a little bit in history. NVDA did a 10-for-1 stock split back on the 21st of June. That price after the split was $120. It's moved up since then to the high of around 140, and in the last 3 days we've taken a little bit of that premium out, and in fact yesterday on the close we were down below that 120 post-split price. And you can see that today, this is the 25th of June, we have bounced back to the upside. Taking a look at technically, going from the low on a swing low back in April to that swing high that we just saw here on the 20th of June, we've got a pretty sweet Fibonacci setup. We had a shelf area just above the 23.6. We have another shelf area around the 38.2, and we've got support down here, as always, at around halfback, and that's around the 108 level. Our major trend line, if we take from that swing low and just clip all these lower lows, or these higher lows, gets us into an area that's around the 111, and that now ratchets up to 116 out here about the second week of July. I've also added in this chart a volume weighted average price post earnings back here on the 23rd of May. So I anchor that VWAP from the 23rd of May, and you can see that we've adhered to this VWAP quite well until we got too far above it, meaning value was too extended, came back down, dropped through it, and today, what do we have? We've got the volume weighted average price was the bounce point for this recovery on NVIDIA back above its 120 split price. How do we trade this? Well, I'm still not convinced that sellers will not come in and play games between that 125 level and the 115 level for the next couple of weeks. I would really love to have another shot at buying NVIDIA and owning it, but I don't want to pay this premium price anything around this 120, 121 level. So how can we do that? Well, let's go off to the option market. We can take a look at a July 19, 24 days out, noting that we've got that 110 level as our area of confluence. I'd be willing to sell the 109 put and then buy $4 away the 105. Now I've got $400 of total risk, but I'm going to get paid around 52 cents. So that works out to about an 18% return on our risk in a 24-day time frame if we take a look at it. Let's take a look at the curve. So note, we're out here at the 123 or 124 price level right now, and this is now rising in price. If we were to sell the 109 and buy the 105, that would get us our 53 cents. That puts us at a break even at around 108.50. If I put these probabilities together of around 50 and 17, that's around a 67% probability that we keep the money from this credit. Now, as this video is going to be out at the end of the day, what can we do to readjust this? Well, if NVIDIA continues to climb, let's say we climb to the 125 plus level, and we get back to this Thursday body around 127, then the adjustment to the trade will be to move these strikes from 109 possibly 110, possibly even 111, and keep your $4 spread so that you get the adequate risk to reward ratio. So there you go. NVDA. Would love to buy some. Not really convinced that we don't have another downdraft. Willing to sell credit at that 110, 105, or 19, 107 level to pick up some premium for a potential trend line touch here within the next 24 days.
Hi there, this is Scott Yellow from the Stock and Options Room of Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click again that link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.